Hey, what's up everyone? About to change the air filter in my Lennox AC unit. Very easy. There's my model number, the number right on top. And this is just like a regular residential unit. Okay, long story short, this handle right here, you can just pull this out like that. And then this just comes off. There it is right there. When you go to replace it, get the same model number. I got a 2-pack from Amazon. I think it was like 70 bucks for 2 or something. Pretty pricey, but the AC company wanted to charge me like 150 bucks or something for one and install. So you just reach in here very carefully because it's a little bit of a tight fit. Pull it out. So then this just pulls out like this. Okay, and then you could just put it next to your old one or your new one and match it up. Oh my goodness, yeah, that was ready to be replaced for sure. I think these ones are like once a year, I believe. I could be wrong on that. I'll put it in the description or comments if that's wrong. But go ahead and take the plastic off for a new one. And I got the same exact one. I go by model number, but maybe you could go by the dimensions too. There's the part number, and it even tells you the brand and the model, air cleaner model, and there's a few different brands on here. So anyways, I'm gonna put it in how the old one was, this charcoal black part on top and this white part on the bottom. Just slide it in like that, very gently, and then we just put our cover back on. It has these little tabs that go into these holes. Put that on. Make sure your air conditioning is off too. Forgot to mention that in the beginning. Let's go ahead and line this up like that. Push it in and done. Yep, not too hard. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Have a good day.